Why do we hiccup? Boy, hic. Oh no, what's happening to me? Don't worry. Today we're going to find out why we hiccup. Inside our body, there's a special muscle called the diaphragm. It helps us breathe in and breathe out. Sometimes the diaphragm moves too quickly, and when that happens, air rushes into our throat and your throat makes the funny sound we call a hiccup. Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even laugh too hard. Boy, hic. But don't worry, hiccups usually go away on their own after a little while. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your diaphragm being a little silly. Thanks for watching Noodle Sprout. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.